still remodeling the malecón, which is the sidewalk in front of my office. So their aluminum wall blocks my view of the beach, which is very depressing to see that all day long. But I'm gonna start here. This is my office, and we're gonna go up to the entrance to Pelican Eyes on this tour. So this house here has been, across the street, has been completely remodeled, and they say they're going to make it a museum, so I'm not sure. The business directly behind my office is a parking area. They have bathrooms and stuff, so you can do, like, if you need to park your car overnight or do long-term parking or something like that, they've got parking in there. On the weekends, they grill some food and stuff, and then they also have a fish store where you can come here and buy fish and fishing tackle and stuff here. So, but here's their fish vending store. This was a hostel here. This was the original location of Pachamama, and they just tore this all down. This whole property is also owned by the remodeled house. So, and then here you have a Posada Azul, which is a little like a bed and breakfast kind of place or hotel. And Remax has their office in there. Across the street you have Ocean Market, which is open 24/7. It's a great place. You have Art Warehouse is on the back side of Posada Azul, so this is their new location. And then here you have Casa Romano, which is a hostel. So, and then across the street you got a couple hostels. Here is Hotel Gran Oceano. They have gated parking, they have a big pool. It's a nice hotel, and you're only half a block from the beach. So that's this over here, the blue buildings, those are municipal offices, and then more hostels here. So this building, the pinkish building that goes all the way to the corner, is actually for sale. It's in pretty rough shape, but there. And then here is a ferreteria. This is a ferreteria. It's like a little hardware store. So here they have a little restaurant, and then you have Casa Oro, which is a 3-story hostel. It's the biggest hostel in town. So, and the guys are working on the Christmas lights. They've been putting up these new poles and stuff, so I can't wait to see everything all lit up. It's gonna be pretty. But Casa Oro is really nice. So they have a restaurant in here and coffee shop and chocolate. So they sell chocolates in there too. And then this little side street here just has like a laundry, 2 laundry areas in it. So Orlando's house is a hostel too, but it seems like it's only open on the weekends. Here you have a Spanish school, and you have Wrap and Roll, which Kenny owns Wrap and Roll. And that's BVN Real Estate over there. Here is a really nice fruit and vegetable market. I shop here a lot. I get organic eggs from them. And then also right here is Bagels and Bakes. So they've got lots of good stuff here in Bagels and Bakes. And they do a delivery service from Managua. So if you have packages sent to Marathona and you don't want to go to Managua and pick them up yourself, they will bring them. They go to Managua twice a week. So. And here's just a little tienda. You can buy some stuff. Here is the chocolate. They make their own chocolates here, and they've got great little desserts and coffees and stuff. They even got some vegan snacks, like chocolate vegan snacks. So this is a nice little coffee store. So this is the office for Playa Romanzo, but they're closed for the day already. Across the street you have Invest Nicaragua, and then a vintage clothing store and apartment buildings there. And then this is Will's station. He's great at fixing computers and stuff, and people can go there and rent a computer and play online. And then here is Ocean Fly, which rents surfboards, and they have the the Ocean Fly, which is like the motorized surfboards. Here's the church. They're working on the church park, so but they're making progress. It's been under construction for a while, but you can see the whales in there, and so they're getting ready. They've got lots of benches in there and stuff. Here on this corner is a pharmacy, so and it's air conditioned. Not many places in town are air conditioned. And then also upstairs is a Spanish school upstairs. So yeah, we're moving right along now on the church park. Oh, and there's more whales there. And they got benches around to sit on. So it's gonna be cool when it's all done. There's not much else along here. There used to be a pharmacy here, but they moved. So. And here is one of our like famous chicken ladies. So where they grill on the street at night, and then they have gallo pinto and maduro and tortilla and tajadas, which are the plantains that they slice real thin and fry them like potato chips. So yeah, so that is one of the options there. Some more of the church. They're having a service tonight. I can hear them in there singing. Right here is another fruit and vegetable market, but it's closed for the day. They open up pretty early in the morning, so they're usually open when I'm out walking around for the night. Just the back of the church park. On the corner here's a little tienda, a little store where you can get various things. Straight ahead is the entrance into Pelican Eyes, but what I wanted to show you here is there's a little restaurant up here called Ding Repair, and this building here is all part of the church, and they built this is brand new here. This building is brand new. It's like an auxiliary hall for the church. So let me take you up and show you Ding Repair, which they have a lot of vegan dishes and stuff at Ding Repair. So I used to really enjoy eating here, but now that I'm a carnivore, I mostly just eat at home. But it's a very nice place. So now you got a little look at Ding Repair. And then right there, that's the entrance into phase 1 of Pelican Eyes. And that's the last business on this street. So this street goes all the way from Pelican Eyes straight down to the ocean right beside my office. I love my life. Come join me.